I'm here today in the highly sought after village of Harbury. Harbury has fantastic community, great transport links, 3 pubs, 2 shops including a post office and a primary school and a nursery. This immaculately presented family home offers just under 2,500 square feet of livable accommodation. It offers 4 bedrooms, a master with ensuite and dressing area and family bathroom, 3 reception rooms and stunning open plan kitchen diner with bifolding doors opening onto the beautifully landscaped garden. I'm Nicky Moore from Fine & Country and welcome to Hall Lane House. Join me at the end of the tour in this stunning outdoor space. If you would like any more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me with the details that will follow.